To my channel. This is Hairstylistic Transitions, coming to you with the review of the AWXL Train Hairstylist case. Now, looking on YouTube, I did not see any other videos regarding this particular case, so being the first one, I am rather nervous, but not to mention I look a hot mess, but I'm in Dallas and it's currently 37 degrees. I'm freezing. So you get this nice warm snuggie because I just can't do the cold. But I'm doing this review. This was a graduation gift for graduating from cosmetology school. Yay to me. Yay. And you can congratulate me by subscribing to my channel. This one. So I'm going to go ahead and review the case. It's got a nice handle to it. Now, I did not do an unboxing video because it came in a box with plastic around it. I mean, there was nothing else in the box except for this. But it's got this nice leather handle. The case is made out of aluminum, so it should get some nice good wear and tear. It's got the combination lock up top. It's got the key locks here on the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and give you a 360 view of the case. Here's the side so you can see that. Then we've got the back with the telescoping handle. Ooh. Boom. That would have been so embarrassing if my nail would have popped off. Boom. Let's see that again in action. Same exact thing on the other side. And here we are back around to the front. It's also got these locking legs so that you can lock it. The other one had the front, they have the locking in the front so you can lock it on a hardwood floor. Yay! So I'm going to start with the top. I love the sound of that. It did come with directions on setting the combination. I did not feel like tackling that tonight, so you can still see the little things that are in there. I'm not doing it. I was just really excited to get the case. I wanted to hurry up and do a video. Looking a hot mess. Yes, that's she. She did that. Okay, so the case does slide open. These keep falling down. This is the second time I open this case. Boom, we fixed that. So it does have the tray for you to stick your flat irons and curling irons in, and a blow dryer on the other side. And I don't know what skinny blow dryer they're using for that. My flat irons did fit in the circles, but they got so many circles. Most people don't use curling irons anymore. The flat irons, I mean, people do, but most are handsy with the flat iron. But, you know, hey. And it's got these little baskets. I've got, you know, the brush. I like this holder so I can keep up with my brushes and clips. Now this top case, I tried to put my flat irons in here first. It was not deep enough. It only goes from here to here, deep wise. It did fit combs, but I have a lot of combs and things like that. I like doing different combs and different things. So I said that's not going to work either. So I decided to keep my clips and things in here, like little oddballs, you know, clips and rubber bands and stuff. So this will be that holder. I mean, it's not very deep. It's not very much to say. I mean, it's about as this deep, so it's not going to hold a round brush. It's not going to, it did hold it, but it made it almost impossible to close. So I do like that these slide closed. That was a nice touch. I'm going to go ahead and move to the middle section. Pop, lock, and drop it. Pop, lock, and drop it. So, being that I wear glasses, excuse the dog barking, he has to go outside now. He wants to come back in. We ain't doing that today. I mean, he's coming in, but not till I get ready to finish talking to y'all. Driving me crazy. So I wear glasses. Stylist, you know, conditioner flies, grease flies, stuff like that. So I got some eyeglass cleaner in a rag right here. I got my cards right here. I've got little oddballs, rubber bands, you know, head wrap, stuff like that in here. Little oddballs that I want to keep. Band-aid just in case I cut myself. I don't know, some days my hands just don't work right and I'm clumsy. On this side, I do love the feature that it holds scissors. You know, your scissors as a stylist are very important. That's like your second, if not your number one tool. It's the top 5. And, you know, you try to keep them safe. As much as you spend on scissors, I was throwing them in there with the combs and the brushes. And, you know, so now that they have their own little space home, they're home, along with my little razors. You know, everybody's happy. I look organized and professional because I am. So the section that I did not like, what I did not like about this section was, number one, I don't know why they put this right here. Why? What is this space for? I mean, I don't, maybe you guys could comment below and tell me why you would have this space here. I just didn't find the need for it. But it's great for holding bottles, full-size bottles of things. I plan on the destructive queen that I am going to take these off because they look glued in. It's wood. Let's see if I get you a better view. It's wood. I'm going to tear these off and glue them right here so that I can put this right here. And I still should be able to close my case, even with a little space right there. But it fits full-size bottles in there. You know, you can never have enough product. I do like that they have a little shield holder. I just wish they would have used some common sense to me and moved it a little bit forward. That's really my only complaint about this case right here so far. I haven't even used, you know, I haven't tested it out in the field yet, but so far, I'm liking. Me liking. The other, so that's what I have in here. My little fabulous, what makes me turn, you know, slay, which helps me slay my clients. This is the third section. Now this section has a lot of space. It is very deep. It's so all those thousands of combs that I was telling y'all about. Oh, I needed a bag. Look at this. You know. Oh, I can't open it. So you just can't. Oh, no! Y'all didn't see that. Ignore that. So you can't fit the round brush in there. It just doesn't close. So, but, oh, look at that. Oh, wait. Yay. Look, that's what all those holes is for. When I'm working, I can just put my stuff right there. Boom. Ow. 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 As Carly would say, ow. Yeah, no. I ain't got enough I don't have big enough holes. I got holes. I got holes in different area codes. So I guess that would be that. I've got like lots of doodads. I got my blow dryer in here and my flat irons. Look at that. Boom. Ow. Now, I do like that the bottom, I can put full-size things that don't fit in here. You know, my magic spray bottle. I love that spray bottle. But it fits nicely, like that said so in there. Let me just take it out for the purpose of this video. I've got a lot of junk. Well, it's not junk, it's my tools in here. But it's deep enough that Boom. It's measuring that high on the can, and there's still all this space up here. So I can put quite a bit in there. I'm very excited about that. On the side, it has these three little tool things, pockets. So I'm assuming that's where you would put a flat iron. That's what look like a flat iron holder to me. So I've got my minis in there, doing a wonderful job, being held up. It's pretty thick. It's got the plastic, or vinyl, so it's wipeable. If you have spills, look like it'd be pretty easy to clean up. I'm liking that. Fully packed. I need a better system with wrapping my cords. I know this is not how you're supposed to do it, but I don't know what else to do. Somebody help me. I don't know what to do. If you've got suggestions on what to do with these million cords and not how to damage my cords, please comment below after you subscribe to my channel. I'm thinking that one day I'm going to look back on this video and laugh so hard at myself because I'm sure I look crazy. But that's okay. Everybody's got to start somewhere. So I will be getting a case for these so I don't walk around with hobo combs. I got hobo combs. My combs live in the bag. Oh, let me put the rest of my utensils up. That's what I do every day. Put all my stuff in there. Okay, time to go. Close. On to the next. So, that is this case. I don't, like I said, I haven't tested it out in the field. It hasn't been battle tested yet, but we're going to start with that tomorrow. See how this works. Huh. Interesting. The tray has to be just right to close. As far as weight-wise, I need a personal trainer too. Somebody help me with that as well. Help me. I mean, if I was a little bit stronger, I probably wouldn't be so. And I'm probably because I'm on my knees. But I really like it. I have no complaints with it. It's made out of aluminum, so hopefully it should take some good beating to keep it. Hopefully it stays sturdy. It seems to be very well made with the rivets and things like such. We shall see. And I say that because I moved everything from this one and this one into this one. This was my $1 million clipping, so you can see the difference if you have one of these. You know, I was keeping all my combs and stuff. Now, if it would have had the depth from here to there, perfect. But, I had to keep my product and combs in here and my flat iron and blow dryer in here. So I'm not going to complain not one little bit. If you'd like to see reviews on this one, I can. Just let me know and I'll put up a review video. Other than that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Love me just this little bitty much.